I recently spent 3 months battling severe lower back pain and a pinched sciatic nerve, all because I stubbornly practiced on a cheap, wobbly dining chair. Finding a chair that actually supports your spine, accommodates your instrument, and does not cut off your leg circulation is incredibly frustrating. Most so-called musician stools are just glorified bar stools that absolutely destroy your posture. If you're tired of cutting your jam sessions short because of numb legs, you are in the right place. Today, I am breaking down the top 7 guitar chairs, revealing the one perfect throne that saved my back. 7. EASTROCK. When I first unboxed this chair, I was initially impressed by its highly portable, foldable design, which is marketed heavily toward traveling musicians and gig performers. It features a built-in guitar holder on the front legs, eliminating the need to bring an extra stand to your rehearsal space. The high-density sponge padded seat and 360-degree swivel function seem promising on paper, theoretically allowing for effortless rotation to adjust your playing angles on the fly. During my first few practice sessions, the faux leather surface was easy to clean, and the built-in footrest offered a decent spot to elevate my leg for classical playing styles. However, the reality of its ergonomic support quickly became apparent as the hours ticked by. The backrest, while padded, feels slightly flimsy when you lean back to take a break, lacking the rigid structural integrity needed to truly correct poor posture. I found myself instinctively leaning forward away from the backrest, completely defeating its primary purpose. The drawbacks became even more pronounced regarding the chair's overall dimensions and weight capacity. The EASTROCK stool is definitely not suitable for tall players. The fixed height of the footrest and seat combination means that if you have longer legs, your knees will be positioned awkwardly high, causing significant discomfort during extended use. Additionally, it struggles to comfortably support heavyweight users, risking instability and an unsettling wobble when you shift your weight aggressively while playing. Finally, the assembly process was a notable point of frustration. The product arrived without clear written instructions, forcing me to rely entirely on online video guides to figure out how to attach the reinforced metal brackets properly. 6. Ackitry Wooden. This chair takes a completely different aesthetic approach, handcrafted from natural rubber wood and featuring a stabilized 4-legged structure with double-layer reinforcements. Out of the box, it is an undeniably beautiful piece of furniture finished in black and walnut that blends seamlessly into a living room or home studio without looking like industrial stage equipment. It also comes equipped with a built-in guitar stand and a hook-and-loop guitar strap to secure your acoustic or electric guitar safely. One of the standout features I was eager to test was the pneumatic height adjustment. Using a simple lever, you can theoretically tailor the seat height from 25.2 to 30.3 inches in just 3 seconds, allowing you to customize your posture to eliminate tension. The seat cushion is upholstered in premium leather with high-density padding, and the circular lower footrest disc is designed to keep your legs elevated and reduce sedentary fatigue during long jam sessions. However, despite its impressive 400-pound weight capacity and solid wood construction, my testing revealed some glaring comfort issues. The seat cushion, while described as premium, is remarkably firm. After about 45 minutes of playing, it felt less like an ergonomic cushion and more like sitting on a thinly padded wooden board. Furthermore, the extremely low backrest provides almost zero actual support for the middle or upper back. It hits right at the tailbone, offering no relief when you want to lean back and stretch your spine between songs. Another significant downside is the overall footprint and weight of the stool. At nearly 14 pounds, it is cumbersome to move around, making it strictly a stationary piece for your home rather than a gigging stool. 5. Rockville RDS42. Unlike the wooden Ackitry, this model is built for the road, boasting a solid steel frame construction that ensures exceptional stability and durability. When I unfolded it in my studio, the sturdy metal legs and robust locking mechanism gave me immediate confidence. It is designed not just for guitarists, but also for keyboard players and drummers, requiring a heavy-duty approach to seating that can withstand constant setup and teardown. The most impressive aspect of the RDS42 is its highly versatile, adjustable height mechanism. It offers 5 distinct height settings ranging from 22 to 31 inches, accommodating a massive variety of playing styles and user heights. Adjusting it is incredibly straightforward, utilizing a secure pin lock system that guarantees the seat will not slip while you are performing. The integrated footrest is also well positioned, allowing you to comfortably prop up your leg to support your instrument without straining your lower back. During my testing, the padded seat and backrest provided a massive upgrade in comfort compared to the previous 2 chairs. The cushioning is thick and resilient, preventing the dreaded tailbone numbness that ruins a good practice session. The backrest is positioned perfectly to support the lumbar region, encouraging an upright, healthy posture without feeling restrictive. Whether I was leaning forward to read sheet music or sitting back to strum some chords, the chair felt incredibly supportive and adaptive to my movements. The only minor limitation of the Rockville RDS42 is its weight capacity, which maxes out at 300 pounds. While this is perfectly adequate for most musicians, heavier players might experience a slight flex in the frame when playing aggressively. 4. Maixhae Guitar Chair. When I first assembled this chair, the build quality immediately stood out. The frame utilizes a thick-gauge, tubular steel that feels completely immovable once locked into place. It features a wide, aggressively padded seat that utilizes memory foam rather than standard high-density sponge, offering a seating experience that actively contours to your body shape rather than just pushing back against it. What I absolutely loved about the Maixhae chair during my testing was the independent adjustability of the footrest. Many guitar stools have a fixed foot ring, but this model allows you to slide the footrest up and down the front legs independently of the seat height. This meant I could set the seat relatively high for a commanding posture, but still bring the footrest all the way up to achieve that perfect elevated knee position required for classical fingerpicking. It completely eliminated the awkward stretching I usually experience in my hips. The backrest on this chair is equally impressive. It is slightly taller than standard models, providing crucial support not just to the lumbar region, but all the way up to the mid-back. It is also spring-loaded, offering a gentle, responsive resistance that moves with you as you breathe and sway to the music. This dynamic support prevented my core muscles from fatiguing, allowing me to play comfortably for well over 2 hours without feeling the need to stand up and stretch. While it lacks a built-in guitar holder like some of the lower-ranked models, the sheer ergonomic brilliance of the Maixhae makes up for it. STRICH Guitar Stool. Straight out of the box, the STRICH impresses with its sleek, professional design and ultra-thick, multi-layered seat cushion. Unlike cheaper models that use a single block of stiff foam, this seat utilizes a layered approach that offers a soft initial touch but firm underlying support. I instantly noticed a massive reduction in pressure on my lower spine the moment I sat down to warm up. The integration of the guitar stand on the STRICH is easily the best I have seen on any foldable stool. The front legs feature heavily padded, non-marring cradle arms, and there is a secure, retractable neck yoke hidden directly behind the seat. When you take a break, you simply pop the yoke up and rest your guitar perfectly flush against the chair. It holds both thin electrics and bulky acoustics with absolute, unshakable stability, turning your seating arrangement into a highly secure instrument display when not in use. Ergonomically, this chair is a dream. The height adjustability is smooth and utilizes a fail-safe dual locking pin system. The footrest is broad and features a textured, anti-slip surface that easily gripped my shoes, preventing my foot from sliding off mid-solo. The backrest is thickly padded and slightly curved to hug the natural shape of your lower back, enforcing an upright, alert playing posture while still feeling luxurious and relaxing. Portability is where the STRICH truly shines. Despite its heavy-duty construction and thick padding, The entire unit folds completely flat with the pull of a single lever. It easily slid into the trunk of my car alongside my amp and pedal board, making it the ultimate companion for open mic nights and weekend gigs. It combines the comfort of a high-end studio chair with the practicality of a folding stage stool. 2. Candem 14045. Candem is renowned for building gear that lasts a lifetime, and this standing aid stool is no exception. When you first handle the 14045, the sheer quality of the materials is breathtaking. The base is incredibly wide and heavy, completely eliminating any possibility of tipping, even if you lean aggressively to the side to adjust a floor pedal. The seat itself is uniquely shaped, forming a sort of ergonomic saddle that encourages you to sit in a semi-standing posture. Testing the Candem 14045 completely changed my perspective on how to sit while playing. Instead of sinking down into a chair, the pneumatic spring mechanism allows you to set the seat extremely high, supporting your weight while keeping your legs relatively straight. This open hip angle promotes deep, diaphragmatic breathing, which is essential for vocalists who play guitar simultaneously. The seat angle is also fully adjustable, allowing you to tilt it slightly forward to naturally relieve pressure on your lower back. The footrest on the 14045 is a massive, heavy-duty circular ring that can be adjusted to any height with precise tension control. Because the seat promotes a perch posture, resting one foot on the ring perfectly elevates the guitar to chest level without requiring you to hunch your shoulders. The fabric seat cover is highly breathable, preventing you from sweating under hot stage lights, and the internal padding is perfectly calibrated to support your sit bones without causing numbness. The optional backrest, which can be attached easily, provides incredibly firm, focused support right where your spine needs it most. 1. Gator Frameworks. This chair takes every single desirable feature from the previous models, perfects them, and houses them in a brilliantly designed, incredibly comfortable package. The moment I unboxed it, I was blown away by the exceptionally thick foam padding on both the seat and the backrest. It provides a luxurious, sinking comfort while still maintaining the firm structural support necessary for flawless playing posture. What makes the Gator Frameworks chair entirely peerless is its attention to practical detail. It features a brilliantly integrated rear neck yoke and lower cradle for instrument storage, allowing you to securely stash your guitar right on the back of the chair between songs. This means the front of the chair remains completely unobstructed for playing, unlike other models that force you to straddle the guitar holder hooks. Furthermore, the backrest is fully adjustable, allowing you to slide it forward or backward to perfectly meet the unique curvature of your spine. The ergonomics of the GFW GTR CAT-DLX are flawlessly executed. The built-in footrest is perfectly angled and covered in a high-grip material, providing an ideal resting place for your foot to elevate the guitar to the proper height. I played for 3 straight hours in this chair, and for the first time in months, I stood up without a single ache in my lower back or tingling sensation in my legs. The seat height adjustment is robust and secure, utilizing a highly reliable locking pin mechanism that completely eliminates any annoying seat wobble. Despite its plush padding and heavy-duty capabilities, the entire chair folds down remarkably flat for incredibly easy transport.